Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, rapping at my chamber door, "only this and nothing more." Ah, distinctly I remember 'twas in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought this ghost upon the floor, so that now to still the beating of my heart I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, only this and nothing more." Quoth the raven, nevermore.
Did you ever go look in that book?
I just looked at that book yesterday.
You did?
Uh-huh. So I had, that was basically a sound check.